Traditions are the threads that weave together the tapestry of human history. They are the echoes of our ancestors, whispering stories of times gone by. From generation to generation, these customs and rituals have been passed down, connecting us to the very roots of our being. They remind us that we are part of something larger than ourselves, a continuum of shared experiences that stretches back through the ages. Imagine early humans huddled around flickering fires, sharing stories of hunts and harvests. These gatherings weren't just about survival, they were about forging bonds, creating a sense of community. They were about passing on knowledge and values to the next generation, ensuring the survival of their people. These ancient rituals, the seeds of tradition, helped shape the very fabric of human society. Across cultures and continents, traditions take countless forms. From elaborate ceremonies marking rites of passage to simple everyday rituals, they infuse our lives with meaning and purpose. They provide a sense of continuity, a link to the past that grounds us in the present. Traditions offer a sense of belonging, a reminder that we are part of a lineage that stretches far beyond our own fleeting existence. Within the grand tapestry of human tradition, family customs hold a special place. These intimate rituals become the building blocks of our identity, shaping our sense of self and belonging. They are the stories we tell, the foods we share, the laughter and tears that bind us together. Family traditions create a sense of continuity, a shared history that strengthens the bonds between generations. Remember the comforting aroma of your grandmother's kitchen? The familiar recipes passed down through generations? Or perhaps it's the annual family vacation, a pilgrimage to the same seaside town, filled with laughter and the creation of new memories. These shared experiences, however small, weave a rich tapestry of love and connection. These traditions are more than just routines. They are rituals that nurture our souls. They teach us the importance of togetherness, of honoring our heritage. They create a sense of belonging, a safe haven where we can be ourselves, surrounded by the love and acceptance of those who know us best. Family traditions are the heartbeat of a family, the rhythm that keeps us connected even as time marches on. Traditions are like echoes of the past, whispering stories of those who came before. They are a tangible link to our ancestors, a way to connect with their hopes, dreams, and struggles. Through these customs, we keep their memories alive, ensuring that their spirits live on. They bridge the gap between generations, reminding us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. Imagine holding an ancient artifact, a simple clay pot or a hand-woven tapestry. These objects are more than just things. They are vessels of history imbued with the energy of the hands that created them. They offer a glimpse into the lives of our ancestors, their skills and creativity. From the ancient pyramids of Egypt to the elaborate tea ceremonies of Japan, traditions offer a window into the soul of a culture. They reveal the values, beliefs, and aspirations that have shaped societies for centuries. By understanding these traditions, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity and richness of the human experience. For millennia, humans have gazed up at the night sky, finding patterns and meaning in the stars. These constellations, passed down through generations, became more than just celestial maps. They evolved into intricate tales woven into the fabric of human storytelling and belief. They were our ancestors' way of making sense of the world, of connecting to something larger than themselves. The ancient Greeks, for example, saw heroes and monsters in the stars, their myths and legends reflected in the constellations. Indigenous cultures around the world developed their own unique interpretations, their constellations reflecting their environment, beliefs, and way of life. These celestial stories, passed down through oral traditions and rituals, played a vital role in navigation, agriculture, and even social structure. They connected people to their history, their environment, and to each other. Even today, these constellations continue to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the enduring power of human imagination and our deep-rooted connection to the cosmos. Section 5. The evolution of tradition, adapting to a changing world. Traditions are not static relics of the past. Like rivers carving new paths over time, they evolve, adapt, and transform in response to the changing world around them. Each generation breathes new life into these customs, infusing them with their own experiences and perspectives. They are living expressions of culture, constantly evolving while still honoring their roots. Think of how technology has transformed the way we communicate and connect. Families scattered across continents can now share virtual meals, celebrate holidays together online, and keep their traditions alive through digital platforms. While the methods of sharing may change, the essence of tradition remains the same, the passing on of values, stories, and connections from one generation to the next. This adaptability ensures that traditions remain relevant and meaningful, even in a world that is constantly changing. Section 6. Passing the torch. The importance of sharing traditions. Traditions are not meant to be kept locked away in a dusty attic. They are meant to be shared, celebrated, and passed on to future generations. It's through this act of sharing that we keep our heritage alive, ensuring that these precious customs continue to enrich our lives. Each generation becomes a caretaker of these traditions, entrusted with preserving the past while shaping the future. Teaching children about their family history, sharing stories of ancestors and their traditions, ignites a spark of curiosity and connection. It helps them understand who they are and where they come from, fostering a sense of belonging and identity. Whether it's through storytelling, music, dance, or the preparation of traditional foods, each act of sharing strengthens the bonds between generations. It's a reminder that we are part of a continuum, a link in the chain that stretches back through time and will continue long after we are gone. Section 7. Traditions as roots grounding us in a changing world. In a world that is constantly changing, traditions offer a sense of stability and continuity. They are like roots that anchor us to the past, providing a sense of belonging and grounding us in a world that can often feel chaotic and uncertain. They remind us of who we are, where we come from, and what truly matters. Think of a majestic tree, its branches reaching towards the sky while its roots run deep into the earth. Traditions are like those roots, providing nourishment and support, allowing us to weather life's storms. When we participate in traditions, we tap into a wellspring of collective wisdom, the accumulated experiences of countless generations who came before us. This connection to the past provides a sense of perspective, reminding us that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. Section 8. Bridging the Gap. Traditions for future generations. Traditions are not just about preserving the past, they are also about shaping the future. By passing on these customs and values to future generations, we equip them with the tools they need to navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. We give them a sense of identity, a foundation on which to build their own lives. Imagine a world where children grow up understanding the importance of community, respect for elders, and connection to their heritage. Traditions have the power to instill these values, shaping individuals who are compassionate, resilient, and connected to something larger than themselves. By keeping these traditions alive, we ensure that future generations have access to the wisdom, beauty, and meaning they hold. We empower them to create a future that honors the past while embracing the possibilities of the present. Section 9. Honoring the past, embracing the future. Traditions are the threads that connect us to the past, the anchors that ground us in the present, and the seeds that we sow for the future. They are a testament to the enduring power of the human spirit, our capacity for love, connection, and the creation of meaning. As we move forward into the future, let us carry these traditions with us, honoring the legacy of those who came before us while creating new traditions for generations to come. Let us gather our families, share our stories, and keep these customs alive. Let us teach our children the importance of heritage and the beauty of connection. For in preserving our traditions, we preserve the very best of ourselves, ensuring that the flame of human spirit continues to burn brightly for generations to come.